my philosophy on leadership is that the leader sets the tone for the school. They truly set the tone for creating the culture, and they make a difference in how the school runs. And because of that, it's important that they're very mindful of their position, of who they are, of how they address teachers, how they address students and parents, really all stakeholders, and really that strong attention to student achievement, because that's the ultimate goal. So everything that they're doing is in order to drive student achievement and to help students reach their highest potential. So setting the tone strong from the beginning of the school year and from the very top, setting that strong culture, that's truly what drives successful schools.